Dear aspirants, I'm pretty sure that you all have got hobby of reading, and lot of people, they fill up in PIQ form in the column of hobbies reading. Now see, reading is a vast subject. You have to be very specific that what you read. Is it poetry, drama, prose, or a novel? Then which language you are fond of, whether it is English, Hindi, Punjabi, or any vernacular. It is the taste. Language does not make difference. Right? You may be reading a Hindi novel. You may be reading novel of Munshi Premchand. Or you may be reading Thomas Hardy, Far From Madding Crowd. But then you should know about the theme of the writer, which country this writer belongs to, what kind of works he has written, which all works, the number of books or the number of novels, number of dramas which he has written, which period he has written these books, what were the things which were going around the world. This is a famous saying, साहित्य समाज का दर्पण है. अलग अलग वक्त में लिखी हुई जो भी साहित्य की कृतियां हैं उनके पीछे कोई ना कोई कारण रहा है. अगर मुंशी प्रेमचंद ने एक गांव की पृष्ठभूमि से अगर अपने उपन्यास लिखे हैं तो उस वक्त के समाज की वो जरूरत रही होगी. If Thomas Hardy is writing about Far From Madding Crowd, then maybe the industrial period of that time may be showing the need of that. If you read about Robert Browning, Robert Frost, they have been writing about the nature. So, and every poetry or every novel or drama is conveying a particular lesson. When you read it, then surely, I am very sure, it must be driving you with some lesson. What writer wants to say, what writer wants to expose. Like if you go to the Victorian period, when the Shakespeare was writing, that time we should know the Shakespeare was writing for the common people so that he can keep the common ground busy, so that they are not able to pay attention to the king, what king or queen is doing. There are themes. If you read essays of Francis Bacon always wrote for the very rich and high class people, either for the king or for the queens or for the ministers. But certainly he had some grey matter in that, which was liked, for which he was famous. I'll share with you. If you see, you must have heard of John Keats. John Keats was a young poet who died approximately at the age of 23-24. But then there are similarities in the Hindi literature also. You see, you must have heard of Jaishankar Prasad. Jaishankar Prasad is known as Keats of Indian poetry. Hindi poetry, I mean to say. He has done great works. And once he felt offended by Acharya Ramchand Shukla for writing prose. He wrote 2 novels, which in fact become a danger point for the Munshi Premchand's novel also. That kind of works he had done. Titli and Kankal he wrote. We have got great writers like Rabindranath Tagore. Whichever has been your favorite, you should know about his country, his state, his theme, his likings, and the way he used to write. There are some of the writers who write in a very difficult language. But then there are writers who write in a very simple, or I should say, the Indianized English. You read Khushwant Singh. His novels you can finish in few hours, the way he has written. Some of the novels it becomes difficult to even go through 4 pages at one time. It takes time. Well, material is very heavy. But everybody has got some or the other good points. At that time he wanted to convey to society. He wanted to bring out these things to the administration of the government of India. These are wonderful things. But it is just not reading novel and throwing it. No. And Lot of people, they just read one writer, one novel, and that's all. You must read about the other works of the same writer. Go into details, get into themes, lessons. Thank you. Hope you found my guidance useful. Then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.